A broken trend line does not mean that we have an opposing trend. This has been covered in previous videos, but I wanted to make it separate so when you look for doubts about this kind of definition, you will be able to locate the video right by its name. So in order to have an opposing trend validated, we need at least trend line broken and one opposing area taken out, or two opposing areas taken out. That's what we need. So if we go back to this Aussie Yen daily trend, in order to have the opposing trend, we had an ascending trend line after 3 or more CPs and valleys. And once we have this trend line broken and one area of demand removed, then we consider that we are in a downtrend, even if we cannot draw a descending trend line connecting the latest two peaks. But then we have possibility of connecting two peaks. Remember, this is taken out, and then we have even stronger area downtrend. Also, when the second scenario is that we have two opposing areas taken out, the trend line cannot be drawn yet. Like in this scenario, the trend line is broken. We cannot draw the ascending trend line because we need two valleys in order to draw a ascending trend line, something like that. But this second valley didn't happen. This is a CP. So if we have one opposing area of supply removed, okay, one area here, one, let me make it, and then the second over here. Then once we have those two, then 1 and 2, even though we can't connect an ascending trend line with two valleys, here we can, maybe we have 3 Ps, it's not the best scenario, but once we remove two opposing areas, then we are in a trend, okay? In the opposing trend, an uptrend. If we had had a value like that, then we would connect the two values like that, okay? So either two areas of opposing supply zones for an uptrend, or descending trend line broken and one area of supply removed.